So guys, they were not lying when they say dating a married man is a problem. It comes with a lot of disadvantages. You might not see it now, but later you will regret. Your happiness depends on him. The only thing that you're going to benefit, obviously, it is the money if he has the money. But it seems like Musam Saleko does not have money. According to Google, it said Musam Saleko has a 37 million rand for someone who was failing to pay the hospital bill. It doesn't make sense. So guys, it seems like a situation here Samke it's getting worse every day. So yesterday Usamke posted this a beautiful picture. As you can see, she was wearing a pink short dress. She's so pretty. One thing about Samke, guys, she's very beautiful and you cannot take that away from her. So today Umusam Seleko decided to remove the pictures like Samke. Samseleko saw this picture and he was like, I'm not gonna have a wife who's dressing like this, so let me just remove her pictures on my Instagram page. So guys, the people are saying, oh, I'm a disadvantage of dating a married man. Samseleko expect Usamke to dress in Jongo Makumalo, Mangwabe, Mayeni, and Makel. We've seen the way Umangwabe, Makumalo, and Makel and Mayeni they are dressing, guys. They dress a certain way, guys. Obviously, they do cover themselves. You know, people are saying a lot of stuff. Go to Sam, you girl, we really feel sorry for you. There's nothing that you are benefiting. People are saying, oh, see, the only way for you to be happy, you need to leave Musam Saleko. You will be free. You can dress however you want. But right now, guys, I don't know because tonight's episode, Time season 80, episode 18, Musam Saleko will be preparing a bride price. Yeah, Usamke will be getting lowball, guys. So we don't know whether Usamke should walk away or not, but it seems like Usamke she's not going anywhere. We never know. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.